In this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Eufy Doorbell not recording events. First, check power supply. Ensure the doorbell is properly connected to a power source or has a sufficient battery life. Then verify network connection. Make sure your doorbell is connected to your Wi-Fi network. You can test this by checking the connection status in the Eufy Security app. After that, reset the doorbell. Power cycle the doorbell by turning it off and then or again or by removing and reinserting the battery if it's a battery operated model. Then update firmware. Check for and install any available firmware updates for your doorbell via the Eufy Security app. Then review event settings. Ensure that event recording settings are configured correctly in the app. Check motion detection, sensitivity and recording schedule. And then check storage. Ensure your local storage or cloud storage is not full. And the last one is reset the doorbell. If all else fails, you may need to reset the doorbell to factory settings and set it up again. So that's how you can fix Eufy doorbell not recording events.